guys, so today's gonna be my first YouTube video. I've been wanting to do a YouTube channel, but I always just push it off to the side and maybe I'll do one next week or take forever brainstorming, and today I'm doing it. My sister has my tripod, my lamp, everything. So I have none of my equipment, but I said, whatever, I'm doing this. I'm doing this today. So I got the idea because, Christmas time, you're getting a lot of packages. So I went downstairs to get my package and I had my 2 Zara boxes that I ordered. And with Zara, the problem is nothing ever fits me because I'm 6 foot tall and either the arm length is too short or the pants are short. Nothing fits properly. And I'm unboxing the first one and it's just packed so nicely. So I'm like, this would be a cool YouTube video. But I'm like, whatever, no, I don't have my stuff. I'm like, no, this is a good YouTube video. So today, I'm gonna bring you along, even though I kind of started unboxing, but I guess it could be a half unboxing because one box is open, one is closed. So let me show you what I have so far. Okay, so this pile was the yes pile so far. This is still not done. I started putting this on and then I said, hey, wait, let me grab my camera. This was no, unfortunately. And this was maybe. And instead of having my tripod, this is what I have to work with so far. I have my vase and my husband's hand gripper. And it's gonna prop up like this. So you guys can see me. So since I technically started, I'm just gonna do a quick run through of what I've tried on and what I like and what I don't like. So the inspiration for this dress, usually I wouldn't pick a dress like this, but my husband plays basketball in polos and he's pretty known for that. So I was like, let me try it on. And I actually like it. I think it's cute. So, yes. So I love jumpsuits, and this is probably going to be one of my favorites. I absolutely love this. The sleeves, long. They're actually long. And it fits perfectly, shows off the waistline, and I think they're supposed to be like this, so I'm not going to complain. Wow, this is actually probably my favorite thing so far. And don't mind the hair. We're only on, 4 outfits and hair's looking crazy, but oh well. Yes. So this is in the maybe. I don't know. I don't have big boobs and there's a little gap here. So I'm not feeling it, but I think it might be cute unbuttoned with like a little tank top under. So this is a maybe. So starting now are going to be the things I haven't tried on yet. So these are going to be, real reactions. Not that the ones weren't before, because putting on that green jumpsuit again, oh my God, it just reminded me of how much I love it so much. So now we're really going to see, the things that I haven't tried on yet. So let's start. Oh, this is cute. This is actually really cute. Very simple. The jeans actually fit. They're supposed to be cropped, so that's okay. Very nice. The shirt fits perfectly. And I usually like shirts like this, but I don't like too much showing. So with these pants, it's literally the perfect amount. Shoulder pads, I think they're a good look. I think if I had to have definitely a different bra under, it'll be good. And then the jeans, they're like, literally, they like hug me perfectly. They are perfect. So thumbs up to both. Honestly, usually when I'm in the store, this is not good. I'm usually like 7, 8 outfits in and let's just say they're all no's. They fit horribly. I'm getting frustrated. sweaty, like my husband's bringing me more clothes, just nothing fits. And I'm shocked that from all these clothes so far, a lot of them fit and they look nice. So usually pants like this, they wouldn't fit, but they fit. And I think they fit pretty good. This top isn't from this, but it is from Zara. I wish I had a long length mirror. They actually look good. And they're cool. I like this like little thingy here. And they are long. Wow. They're like perfect. I love them. Oh my gosh. Another outfit that fits. So let's just say starting out, these bad boys. Woo! Barely going over my calf. Like, they're long. I can't handle this. I really can't. They're so long. Like they unzipper. They're like this, like not slimy, very sleek material. They got a nice zipper on the side. Wow. Okay. Thumbs up, I guess. I have another pair of pants in there, a super cool pair of pants. Nervous about how they'll fit, but the rate we're going at, I don't know, I think I'm gonna end up keeping the whole box. Another pair of pants that fit. I can't handle this. Huh. Thumbs up, I guess. I was hoping to have a Kim K moment. I don't think this is my moment. I don't think this is my moment. I have no butt. They're a little big. And they're very tight. They're like, they don't really move with you, let's just say. And they are like that awkward length. These, unfortunately, are a no. But hey, still cool pants, just not for me. So this is a cardigan. Cute. Not hating on it. This part is very cute. I think it's very cute. It's actually very soft. But the sleeves, it's awkward. Not gonna lie. I might put it as a maybe because then I can just wear it, just roll the sleeves up a little bit. And this is, and here we go. So this is a maybe, but leaning toward yes. So next box, yay. No scissors necessary, or maybe. Okay, cool. Let's flip this bad boy over and see, like, it's so cute. It's all wrapped up nicely. Guess the sticker's not really working. Oh, okay. That red right there, I'm super excited, and you'll see why. Oh, Maxie, you want to see the packages? Are you excited? Can we just see the outfits? Do you like the pants? The Kim K pants? They don't fit. Okay. Maxie loves boxes. She loves boxes. So whenever there's packages, oh, I'm just a little scared guy. He's so scared of new smells. Very scared, but it's okay. Badish, come here, baby. Hey. It's okay. Look, Maxie's all up in here. All up in here. It's okay. It's okay, Badosh. Come here, babes. Come here. Hi. You're a good boy. Okay, let's start. So far, I'll tell you one thing. Sleeves are good. Oh, snap. Oh my god. I wanted a fitted waist blazer, and this is it. The girl had it on the website, I think, as like a dress. I don't know if I could pull that off, because The bum might be showing. This length is weird, right? I don't know. I'm not feeling, it's like not short, not long, and the color is beautiful. But I don't like it. Or not, it's nice, but no. Yeah, I mean, it's as simple as that. Nope. I wanted to start a YouTube video and I did, but it's time for me to go to work and I'm trying to rush, but this is actually taking longer than I thought. So I'm not gonna be able to finish right now. I'm gonna close the box, back up again, and after work tonight, I'm gonna finish the video so you guys can see, and hopefully I'll have a human tripod this time to make it much easier. So now I have access to my human tripod and this tripod right here. All right, let's start with this one.
Damn, that's nice.
Oh, this is nice.
Better keep that shit.
This is cute. But I'll tell you one thing. Smells a little fishy. It really smells. It smells fishy. But nothing the wash can't handle. This is really nice. I like this. The sleeves, I know. Super long, I like that. Nice and cinched here. Definite this. So this looks like the leather one, just not leather and it doesn't smell. I like this one. I don't know if it's a little small. There's like the buttons, you see how it goes out like this? So this is what I mean about the buttons. Instead of it being just straight down, there's a little like, they stick out a little bit. The sleeves are good. Sorry about the flashing light. I'll stop it. I do love the dress. So it's definitely a keeper, but might have to exchange for a little bigger size. Well, this color is definitely good for Christmas. Oh, I like this one.
I like everything I get myself. I just like everything. Everything is sweet.
Sleeves, a little awkward. So I think this would have to be like this. The camera does not do this dress justice. It really doesn't. Nice. I like the long look. Yeah, this is definitely a keeper. I like this a lot. This color is nice. It matches my green eyes. Yep, definitely. Yeah, I actually really like this one. It's really nice. Nice little satin look. So I saved the best for last. I really took a risk with this one. I usually wouldn't get a dress like this, but it just looked so cool. And you know, Zara has like all those awesome pictures. Sometimes a little weird, but I just love fashion and just the way they style the clothes. So this one, I really hope it fits and it looks nice because I'm super excited. There it is. The bad boy. Oh yes. Oh, there's one behind it. I gotta do this and then save this for last. Oh, this is cute. What do you guys think? It's not long, it's shorter. Sleeves super long. I think just because of the sleeves, I gotta keep it on my long arms. I like it a lot. This is pretty. I have a lot of new outfits. All right, now it's time. The best for last. Okay, that's all you're gonna see. I really like this. Something different. The sleeves are, could always be longer. This is it. The best for last. I think it did its job. Yeah, I really like the length. It's nice and long. Sleeves, if they were long, it would be perfect 10. But I would say this is 9 out of 10. And I still love it, so yay! So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna pick my top 3 dresses and Well, not dresses, outfits, I should say, even though majority are dresses. But I'm gonna pick the top 3 outfits and style them, and you guys let me know what your favorite is. Do you like my outfit? Yes? No? You're camera shy, it's okay. Excuse me, Maxie. What are you doing? Are you laying in my clothes? So, after trying on everything, these are my top 3 looks. Oh, by the way, thank goodness the smell of this dress came out in the wash. Oh wait, before you guys go, let me know in the comments your experience with shopping at Zara or honestly any store. Finding perfect outfits for us women is a hassle. So I want to know your experiences. And I know, I said December earlier in the video. That's actually when I tried on all the clothes. But regardless, I had a great time shooting this video and I hope you guys enjoyed it and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.